Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Here I have the Sam's Bead Box for December of 2021. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to open this up. I kind of already peeked a little bit. I will let you know. Where's my, oh, here it is. It says December 2021 Holiday Cheer. I have such fond memories of this time of year. Growing up, I loved lighting Hanukkah candles and making huge batches of latkes, fried potato pancakes with my family. I also remember it is a busy time of year for my choir. One year we joined the San Francisco Symphony to sing the soundtrack to The Snowman, 1982. As the movie played in high school, my voice teacher and friend Roz brought me into the fold of planning her yearly holiday party, which always included a group sing-along with plenty of loud opera singers and amazing butterscotch scones. This month's bead box is a reflection of all of these holiday memories with a color palette of rich jewel tones and metallics for extra shimmer. Our featured items this month are a collection of Tiara Cast hammer tone drops, a house-made star rice bead mix. I love those. Sparkling preciosa crystals, and a gorgeous deep blue tiger's eye round. I hope this month's collection puts a smile on your face and inspires you to create. Use these beads together for a holiday theme, or take these rich tones in your own creative direction. If you make something, share it on our Gem Chat group on Facebook using the hashtag SamsBeadBox December 2021. You just might win our monthly prize. Happy holidays from Sam's Bead Box. Well, let's get going here. I don't really go off the list when I open this because they have the names on everything here. So, I absolutely love these. Oh, love, 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 love. Okay, so let me push these to the side. So I'm going out of order because they have the name on here. So Pyrite, oh boy, I can't even pronounce it. Faceted round, 5x6 millimeters, 7-inch strand. Pyrite, I think it's called. Don't shoot the messenger, as they say. Oh, beautiful. Wow, look at that. Oh, absolutely beautiful. I'm going to spend the whole day after this making jewelry to post. Okay. Number 2 is Czech glass faceted long drop emerald bronze 8x20 millimeter 6-piece strand. So, and these bags are hard to open. Here we go. Oh boy. Oh, very pretty. Very pretty. You see the gold? Bronze, I mean, on there. The holes are really well made. Very pretty. These would make some pretty drop earrings. Next is Czech glass wavy leaf emerald teal 10x5 millimeter 12 pieces. Oh, cool. Very pretty. The next one is Czech glass texture drop pendant matte bronze 38x24 millimeter 1 piece. There we go. Oh, very cool. Very rustic looking. And next is deep blue tiger eye round dyed 10 millimeter 10-piece strand. Oh, look at this. Very pretty. Gorgeous. The holes are very well made. Oh, I cannot wait to tear into these boxes. I've been doing all the bead unboxings. I haven't made anything yet. Czech glass teardrop blue iris 8 by 15 millimeter, 12 pieces. Oh, very pretty. Very pretty. Holes are well made. Let me see here. Czech glass lacy coin clear copper 13 millimeter, 5 pieces. I absolutely love these. Seems like we've been getting a couple of these every year. I think it was last year we got the black ones. Oh, I love these. These are one of my favorites, although it's really hard to choose between some of them because I love the rice beads too. They have that. One side's clear. This side's got the copper. And that side's clear. Each one's just a teeny bit different. Very beautiful. Okay. Ooh, next up is matte gold-plated hematite chips, 4 by 9 millimeter, 7-inch strand. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, they're heavy. Get some good weight to them. The holes are well made. I love getting, like, when you kind of get the irregular beads. They just add a little more texture to your jewelry. Like, you know, if you add them on a bracelet, it's not that perfect round or square or whatever. You get that little bit of extra texture to it, which makes them pretty. Okay, Czech glass fire polish faceted around holly luster, 6 millimeter, 25 piece strand. Ooh, see all the sparkles in this one. Very well made. Oh, so pretty. Next up is Czech glass Cathedral Emerald 8 millimeter, 20 pieces. Oh, I do love these too. I think it's hard to choose which ones are my favorite from these boxes. I love these too. They almost look like they have a bead cap attached to them. Let me see, you can see that. Sparkly. Love me some sparkle. Okay. Next up is Czech glass filigree oval in red holly, 12 by 16 millimeter, 12 pieces. Okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, very pretty. The holes, very pretty. It's funny because I'm opening these up late and it's almost Christmas in a couple days, but there's always Valentine's Day for the red. Okay, Czech glass table cut oval sapphire Picasso 10 by 14 millimeter, 5 pieces. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Oh, almost look like the bat signal at first. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, I absolutely love the table cut beads. Okay, next up is Czech glass daisy spacer metallic bronze 5 by 5 millimeter, 50 piece strand. Okay. Oh, wait, I had it. Okay. Oh, very pretty. I think these make really pretty spacers. You can see the, very pretty. Sam has outdone himself again. And then Preciosa crystal bicones Celestian. Celsin, oh boy, 5 millimeter, 25 pieces. Sorry, I'm having trouble pronouncing that word. And having trouble opening these. Okay, here we go. Oh, these are gorgeous. Whatever they're called, they're absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at the sparkle on that. Absolutely gorgeous. And then, ooh, house-made seed bead mix holiday cheer. Seed beads, 27 grams. I'm not going to open these up. Just a few green, some blue, some looks kind of like a goldish, antique gold kind of. Very pretty. I'm excited to work with these. Next up is Czech glass struck round ornaments, bronze, luster 12 millimeter, 8 pieces. Oh, beautiful. Ooh. These are heavy. These are like as heavy as marbles. I used to play marbles when I was a kid. That's showing my age. Oh, and there's another one in there. Left in there. Very pretty. Czech glass faceted round blue iris 8 millimeter, 20 pieces. Oh, beautiful. The holes are well made and everything. Very pretty. I don't know if you can hear my dog Maggie snoring behind me. She really enjoys the bead unboxing. Made in the USA, gold plate, hammer tone, teardrop, earring pair, and pendant. So you get 3 in here. That one's a little bigger. Oh, these are cool. Make a little jewelry set out of these. Very well made. Same on both sides. Very pretty. And last but not least, I love me some rice beads. House-made 5-color golden star rice bead mix, 3x6 millimeter, 100 pieces. I think this was the first bead I used all of in my last stash. Oh, very pretty. I love that little, can you see that little X on there? It's so pretty. Absolutely beautiful. Well, as usual, Sam's Bead Box has outdone itself again. Very pretty, very pretty. I can't wait to start making stuff with these. Oh. Well, so thank you for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up video so I know you like it. Also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let me know in the comments how you like this. If you subscribe to Sam's Bead Box, and tell me what you've made from it, what your favorite boxes or your favorite beads out of this box. And also you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links are below. Just click on them to take you there. And I also have my Etsy store below if you would like to follow me on that. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Have a great day, and happy holidays to all of you. Hope 2022 is everything you've dreamed of. Thank you. Bye-bye.